The 8 relationship protocols. Do you want your marriage or partnership to thrive and move to the next level? Your next special celebration, such as anniversary or a Valentine's Day, is the perfect time to shift gears. Discover the 8 proven ways to deepen your connection and move your relationship to the next level. 1. Do a vision board together. Start by creating your own individual vision board, working independently. To help with intimacy, sit side by side during this creative process, but no peeking or sharing images. Schedule a date night to have the reveal of your individual creations. Share your dreams. Be brave. Open up through sharing. You will be surprised how quickly your shared dreams emerge naturally. 2. Strategic learning. Create a book club style habit. Each of you picks a personal growth focused book each month. Dedicate the time to share the insights and synopsis with your partner about the book you read, and she does the same about her book. You learn so much deeper about one another. As you engage in a healthy debate for deeper understanding, remember the goal is to see each other's views, not necessarily to agree. 3. Reverse life engineering protocol. Life's deepest fulfillment starts with having the courage to envision your final chapter together. Break down that grand vision into meaningful phases. Think of it as creating your own love story roadmap. Think of the depth you will gain by having the courage to dive into the topics of where you want to live in your last chapter. Align on things like number of houses or countries you will live in before or after kids. These topics are not just checkpoints, they're shared dreams waiting to be discovered between you both. Discuss to get on the same page. True partnership means openly discussing what each of you needs to bring these shared dreams to life. Make strong bonds of support for new habits you both commit to build or improve to march hand in hand through your milestones. 4. Plan your ideal retirement. Your retirement years should be your greatest adventure together. Let's design them intentionally. Move beyond basic planning. Envision the daily moments that will make those years extraordinary. What daily actions you need to set in place now to eliminate the worries that surfaced in these conversations. For some, it would be health-related choices. For others, a clear path on the spreadsheet to transform retirement anxiety into excitement. Pick yours. 5. Weekly wisdom exchange protocol will revolutionize how you grow together. Share discoveries from a newsletter or podcast. Treat it as your personal growth date, so be brave to share not only the insights that light you up inside, but what got you triggered. Aim to discuss one key takeaway, one golden nugget that made a difference for you, and if you thought your partner might have liked a different point, share it as well. It will feel like you wrapped her a mini gift of love and thinking of her moment. Integrate insights into your lives because the magic happens when you turn inspiration into action steps, especially if you can each cheer each other along the way. 6. Dual bucket list method. A bucket list is a treasure map of lifetime adventures. Create individual lists. Pour your wildest dreams onto paper. No holding back, no self-censoring. The sharing process itself becomes an intimate adventure of discovery and a lesson of courage and vulnerability to be seen with your dreams exposed. Share anyway. Be comfortable with the uncomfortable. It is an excellent skill for enduring, loving relationships. Watch the excitement build as you find where your adventure dreams align. It is in those moments where you remember why your paths crossed. If there are no common items, create a joint bucket list and remember that true partnership means championing each other's individual quests as much as rejoicing at the time spent together. 7. Holistic Wealth Mapping Protocol. This is an excellent option if you have done any activity 3, 4, or 6 related to your future planning. Yet even your annual or monthly budget planning can be a bonding time as well. Redefine wealth through the lens of your shared life vision. Let every financial decision be guided by the experiences you want to create together. And quickly you will both be looking forward to these planning sessions that bring your dreams to reality. Remember to balance life wealth with monetary goals when planning. Build in room for spontaneity and gained experiences, since the best memories often come unplanned and unscripted. 8. The 90-minute ritual. Schedule weekly deep connection time. Remember, the richest couples measure wealth in moments, not just millions. Transform your relationship with the power of focused connection time. Protect these one-on-one moments as vital as sleep or air. Your happiness depends on them. Use any of the 7 examples we've discussed within the 90-minute connection ritual. Think of every 90 minutes as an additional weekly investment into your Happy Ever After investment fund as a couple that look forward to share their future together. These strategies go far beyond typical date night advice. They are not just relationship tools. These moments allow you the time to dream, plan, and grow closer than ever before. Prioritize it as a gateway for your deeper intimacy to come in. These approaches accomplish one complex dilemma most couples spend years tackling: how to build the future together that you are both excited to live hand in hand. Through these steps, you will align to a common vision while growing individually with these micro-courageous actions, and deepen the appreciation for yourself and your partner's individuality. That's what it means to grow together, yet staying true to yourself. Subscribe for more unconventional ideas to love and life. Thank you for watching. I hope this message serves you today. Hit the like button to let me know. Share your